Hello students, I am Sachin Prakash and I teach and mentor students in chemistry for IIT. I believe that the real confidence which is required to crack this IIT exam will come only when you are confident in tackling good problems. And that clarity and understanding of concepts will only develop when you are really comfortable in handling these problems. So this video contains the paper discussion which I have conducted in my uh, classes online. Okay, and a lot of good doubts are there which I have discussed here. It will be helping you people in understanding, developing an understanding in how to approach and tackle good problems. Okay, and if you like this, if you found this paper discussion video to be useful and interesting, you can, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, which will surely, motivate me to add some more useful videos of this type. Okay, because ultimately it's, this is just an effort, honest effort, small honest effort from my side to help the student, uh, help my students as well as other students also in their ITJ preparation. So let us begin with this paper discussion. Okay. Okay, so we are now live. Today we are going to discuss, WTM 16, which is based on the topic of IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, so this is the paper in front of you. The first 20 questions, maze pattern, single correct. And then you have the last 5 questions, which are numerical value. Okay, so as usual, we start our, discussion with the numerical value questions. Okay, so 71 to 75. Any doubts?
73.
Yeah.
70.
Apart from 73,
No doubts.
no doubts. Okay.
No.
72 is not a doubt.
No, sir.
The numbering will be something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. If you try numbering from here, okay. You try numbering from here, then you will be getting 7 here. Are you getting a point? So that's why that numbering won't be accepted. Okay, this one is accepted. Okay, now let us discuss 73. The 73 is not a tough question, it is actually a lengthy question. Okay, so what you are going to do is that you have to write it like this. Is it clear? Yes, no? So first you write it like this. Now you see, what you have to do is that you should remember that the sigma bonds will be like CH, CC, and CN. Only these 3 types of sigma bonds are there. Now, out of this, number of CS sigma bonds will be equal to number of hydrogen atoms. Are you getting a point? And number of CN sigma bonds will be equal to number of nitrogen atoms. Is it clear? Yes or no? And number of CC sigma bonds. So what is the number of hydrogen atoms? If you count 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, so number of hydrogen atoms is 16. Number of nitrogen atoms is 4. Are you getting a point? And number of CC bonds, okay, will be how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So if you do the total, it will be 32 sigma bonds. Are you getting a point? Acha, can you calculate what is the total number of carbon atoms? Is it 13? Is it 13? Number of carbon atoms? 9 here, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. So you see number of carbon-carbon sigma bonds will be equal to number of carbon atoms minus 1. Are you getting a point? So from this you can calculate. Are you getting a point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you number of pi bonds, you see CN will have 2 pi bonds, number of CN groups is 4. So the number of pi bonds will be 8. 32 minus 8, it will be 24. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any other doubt in 71 to 75?
72.
72. Okay. So 72, let me, So this is a question of bicyclo nomenclature. Now, you see, these are the bridgehead carbons, right? Yes or no? Now, I can start a numbering from here, or I can start a numbering from this one. So let us say that I start a numbering from this bridgehead. So what is the rule in bridgehead nomenclature? First, we go to the largest ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, the second largest ring. Okay. So what is the second largest ring here? Now you see.
Both are same from left to right.
Yeah. So you see, we are assuming that this whole thing is a single bond. Are you getting a point? Yes or no? Then only we both bridges are equivalent. Is it clear?
So once again, can you say?
See, what I'm saying is that this whole thing is a single bond. Okay, which is behind this bond. Getting a point? Yes or no?
So that means there is no carbon atom in between.
No. See, its actual structure actually is a three-dimensional structure like this.
Sir,
Yes.
so it is bicyclo compound, yes, sir.
It is something like this. Are you getting a point? This is a more accurate representation. Getting a point? So you see, this is also a 2 carbon bridge and this is also a 2 carbon bridge. So if I'm starting, it will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, I can go through this bridge or this bridge. Are you getting a point? Because both are 2 carbon bridges. So I want to give the lowest locant number to the, the OH is here. Okay. So I will prefer this bridge and then I come here, then 8 and 9. Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is when I'm starting the numbering from here. If I start the numbering from this bridge here, then I will be going like this. And then 6, 7. And then I again reach 1, then 8, and then 9. So which one we are going to follow? This one?
Right.
Because we are getting OHS 6 corresponding to this one. Are you getting a point?
Yes. But it's not clear in the diagram, no, sir. It's appearing like there is a carbon.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
is.
That's what even I got confused.
Yeah.
Even I got confused, sir.
Yeah, that I can understand. See, if we are considering this to be a, because you see there is a tilting of the bond here. Can you see? From here to here, there is a tilting. It should have been something like this. Are you getting a point? If it was a straight bond, then there would not be any problem. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, if you consider this to be a carbon atom, then it would be like a 3 carbon bridge. And then you have to go through this first, rather than this.
Sir?
Yeah.
If it is considered as a carbon, what will be answer?
If this is considered as a carbon, then the figure will change. Okay, it will be something like this.
So it will be
Are you getting a point? And OH here, and Br will be here. It will be 3 carbon bridge here, here, and here. Are you getting a point?
Sir, locand number for OH, what it is?
Yeah, so where shall we start with? Here. But after that, we are going like this.
Sir, we need to.
I think we can have a better locand number if I go by all this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Left
5,
should.
Sir,
6,
left side we
7,
can go.
8. Huh?
Left side we.
Means you are talking about the green one, no? Yes or no? Oh, you are saying that we should go by bromine, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because both are
Yes,
3
sir.
carbon chain. Yeah. Do it like that also. Because whether you go by the left side or you go by the right side, you're getting the same locant. So if you are going like this, okay, then you have to go like this. And then you have to 9 here. Are you getting a point? This will be the lowest. So the
Sir,
lowest locant will be 9 only. Are you getting a point?
sir, could you suggest the key change for 6 or 9?
See, I'm thinking of saying that
Sir, we'll
bicycling
get.
is out of syllabus so that everyone gets the marks for this.
Sir, we'll
Very
get 6
good.
sir for OH.
See, if you're considering this to be a
Sir, if
single
you.
one, then you'll get
No,
6
sir,
at
in
once.
the second one. Sir, in the second diagram only, if you start from where you wrote 5 and you come in anti-clockwise order.
1 minute.
Larger carbon chain.
Larger carbon chain.
Larger ring you have to follow now. After this 3
No, sir,
carbon
through
ring, you have to.
bromine.
That is what I am saying. No. Okay, let me write it down for you. You are saying I should start with here, right?
Yes, sir.
And then I should go like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, I have to go here now.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, then it will be 9 and then this will be 10. Okay. So what I am going to do is, because the figure is not correct, okay, I am going to claim that since it is a bicyclo compound question, it is totally out of syllabus. Okay. So it should be deleted. Will it be good?
Sir,
Because
if they want to accept, could you suggest the 6 or 9?
see, I'm telling you, they won't. They might accept 9 also, but I am thinking that it is better to claim it for delete. Won't it be good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because they have explicitly written, no, on the first page they have written that bicyclo is not there in the syllabus. I think, let me
Excluding
show you.
bicycle spiral.
I think excluding bicyclic and spiral compounds. So let us claim, huh?
Okay, sir.
See, if we don't claim, someone else will claim. It's not like it is going to escape because it was written in the syllabus beforehand that bicycle and spiral are not included in the syllabus. Okay, so anyway, it is going to get deleted only. But see, I have discussed both the cases. If the diagram is like this, then the answer will be 6. If the diagram is like this, the answer will be 9. Are you getting a point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the main thing which matters is whether you are able to do this question or not. Okay. Let it be decided by other people whether they want it to be. Okay. What I am concerned with is question number 71. It has to be deleted.
Why, sir?
Because such tetraethyl butane is not possible.
Tetramethyl was given, sir.
Methyl, sir.
It was given as tetramethyl.
Tetramethyl.
Time begins, sir.
Okay, if it is
What are the correct
tetramethyl,
terms,
then so it is okay. Because here it is given as tetraethyl butane. So based on that, so I can't. So do you want me to claim this question or leave it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Leave it, sir.
okay, then it is good. So I think 71 to 75 it is clear. Amyl is C5, S11. I think we have discussed in the class also. After this, 68 to 70.
No No doubt, doubts.
67.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt.
65, 66.
66. 66, sir.
66.
Yeah. What's the issue with this?
It is given as 4. They gave option 4,
They
sir.
gave 4, sir.
They give option as 4. Okay. Propane 1, 2, 3. Carbaldehyde.
Tricarboxyl.
Tricarbaldehyde.
Should be 1, no, sir. Yes,
It should be 1 only actually.
sir.
Sir, if
That
it is not.
it should be both actually.
Yes.
1 as well as 4. That I will suggest for key change. Because you see CHO is
No,
not
it's not
terminating.
sign terminating.
This one is
Yeah.
the third one, no,
No,
sir.
it is not sign terminating, sir. Then only option 1 will be accurate among the options.
The third one is option.
Yeah, but if you are assuming it to be chain term, see, when you're using oxo prefix, you can include the carbonyl carbon as a part of the parent chain. Are you getting a point? So in case of CHO, we don't consider it to be a chain terminating group because we can include it as a, even if it is a substituent, we can include it in parent chain. Are you getting a point?
So
So,
1 or 4.
so we can consider both the options to be correct. So I will be recommending this for 1 as well as 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
65.
Sir. No doubt,
Yeah.
sir.
No doubt.
No doubt.
64. I think 64 we have discussed. I think I have given it as one of the questions. Was it there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think you must have done this. 64. This is the parent chain which we are talking about. So then the numbering will start with here. This is methyl, this is ethyl, this is isopropyl, this is methyl. So 2, 5 dimethyl and 4 isopropyl and 3 ethyl. Is it clear? Yes or no? Okay. After that, 63, 62, 61.
No doubt.
Sir, 61, sir.
61, 2 different compounds may have the same IUPAC name. It is incorrect. Naming is done. Yeah.
If we take cis and trans compounds, then both are different compounds are having same IUPAC names. No, sir.
No, no, no. If you are saying cis and trans, you have to mention E and Z. Okay, the names will be different. Are you getting a point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The answer will be 3 only. Okay. 63 is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Then 60. 60 answer should be 1, 3, 6. It should be 5 ethyl, 1, 3, 6 hexane tricarboxylic acid. Yeah. Are you getting 1, 4, 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you try for 1, 3, 6?
Yes, sir.
From left if you number it will come.
Yes, sir. From left, if we number, we will get.
So answer should be actually none of them are correct. Are you getting a point?
Sir, option 2 is
Option 2 we'll get option 2 if we number from left, sir.
This side.
for ethyl group
Sir.
2.
Okay, 1 minute.
But COH should get lowest locant, no sir.
Either from either side
One
we'll get
minute,
same
one
locant.
minute, 1 minute. Okay, let me just draw this molecule. COH, then 1, 2, 3. Here you have COH, 4, 5, COH. This is the molecule, yes or no? Now, selection of the parent chain. If I can select a parent chain which can contain all the 3 COH groups, then I can write it as a derivative of alkane. Are you getting my point? This is my parent chain. Up to this, you people are agreeing? Yes or no? Now, if I number it from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so as per this, you will get this as answer, right?
Yes, sir.
But if I do the same thing from this side,
COH will get plus.
then you see, if I'm talking about COH groups, okay, what will be the set of locants?
136.
1,
136.
and if I am doing it from that side, this is from the right side. If I'm doing from the left, it will be 1
46.
146.
on the left side. Okay. Now, so the principle is that first the functional group should get lowest set of locants. Are you getting a point? Then
Sir?
only we talk about the substituents getting the lowest set of locants.
Sir,
Is it? Yeah.
but here COH is a substituent only, no, sir, because we are not considering the
No.
parent.
You see, substituent, how it is substituent if it is written in suffix. Are you getting a point? It is still the senior functional group. The only thing is we are writing it as a derivative of alkane. Are you getting a point?
Yes,
If
sir.
I write what is the senior functional group here? Yes or no?
COH. Yes,
So
sir.
we write it as cyclohexane carboxylic acid, no? So this
Yes,
means
sir.
this is. So are you getting a point? Answer should be 136. 5-ethyl, then 1,3,6 hexane tricarboxylic acid. Are you getting a point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am telling you what they have done. Okay, what they have done is that they have included, they have considered everything to be substituent. Are you getting a point?
Yes, sir.
But that doesn't happen. You see, you cannot mix up the locants of substituent and the senior functional group. Are you getting a point?
Sure.
First, we have to consider the locants of the substituent of the senior functional group. Then only you can consider the locants of the substituents. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the answer should be 5-ethyl, 1,3. So 60th should go for correction. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubts, they can raise right now. Everyone is clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I have given you very clear-cut rules. It has to be followed. Okay. Now after this,
So 57.
57.
57.
57, 58, 59, no doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubts.
That's good. As such, if you see, I feel that 58 should go for deletion. because this carbon is having 5 bonds, which is not possible.
Sir, in exam they gave correct structure only, sir.
Okay. They have given a bond here, single bond,
Yes, sir.
like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I am not going to ask. Okay. So 57. Okay. What is that? Number of functional groups? Number of functional groups in above compound. Now you see, this is a 2-degree amide. This is a 1-degree amide. This is a carboxylic acid. This is a ether.
Amine.
So this is amine.
4.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ether is
Okay.
not a functional group, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, ether
One
is
minute,
4 no, sir.
no, 1 minute. What was here?
Like that only they have given.
that
sir.
only, sir.
That only they gave, sir.
C2H. Okay.
C
This
triple
was
one CH.
C111CH. Okay. See, I have told you that ether is not a functional group from IUPAC rules point of view. As such, from reaction point of view, it is a functional group. Is it clear?
Sure.
Okay, so halogens, ethers, okay, nitro, these are functional groups which we always treat as substituents. We don't have a secondary suffix for them. Are you getting a point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The answer should be 6 only. Is it clear?
Sure.
Yeah.
5.
5 knows. 5 knows.
5 no.
I only know, sir.
How?
5.
2-degree amide and 1-degree amide are different functional groups. Are you getting a point?
Sir, they come
Even
under
if we count
the
them,
amide category.
Sir, should
Huh?
we consider that C111CH as a functional group, sir?
Yes. See, functional group basically represents a reactive site in a molecule. Are you getting a point? In IUPAC nomenclatures, we divide the functional groups into substituents and which do not have any suffix, and functional groups which have a suffix. Are you getting a point? So NO2, NO or alkyl or what it says, NO2 or NO or chloro means halogens. These are functional groups, but they don't have a corresponding secondary suffix. Are you getting a point? They're always written as suffix. Okay.
So how can you consider 1-degree amide and 2-degree amide as 2 different functional groups?
Because 1-degree amine and 2-degree amine are different functional groups. As such, their
Sir,
properties will be different, their reactivities will be different.
they come under same amide category. no, sir. How can we consider this them as
See,
different?
what I am saying is that they behave differently. Like a lot of tests are given by 1-degree amine, which is not given by 2-degree amines. Are you getting a point? So reaction point of view, they represent 2 different functional groups. Like 1-degree amines will give the carbylamine test, 2-degree amines will not give the carbylamine test.
Sir, amide or amine, sir?
Means I am telling you that if 1-degree and 2-degree amines or amides, both are different functional groups. Are you getting a point?
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
sir, in any case, we need to consider ether as a functional group only, sir.
Yes.
Any question?
From reaction point of view, it is a functional group. Okay. If they would have asked which of these functional groups do not have a secondary suffix, then your answer would have been the ones which should be excluding ether. Are you getting a point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the things. 57 is done. 56, 55
No, sir.
No.
is okay. 54?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. 53? This I have discussed in the class itself.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2.
It's also wrong, no, sir.
Incorrect, no, sir.
Let me check. Okay. So if you are starting the numbering from here, okay, then
double.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you are and if you are starting the numbering from here, from this carbon point of view, the set of locands will be 5, 6. And from this point of view, it is 1, 6. So this is correct.
Sir, 2, 6, no, sir.
How 2, 6? 1, it is starting from here. The red system I am following.
Green 1.
Huh?
Green is 2, 6 mostly.
No, sir, green 1.
We are following the red one, not the green one.
Sir, no, sir.
Double
Sir.
bond is always getting 1.
Yes,
Are you
sir,
getting
that-
1? Yeah. Tell
Sir,
me.
green 1 should be numbered 2.
No, see, if you are starting with here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 2, 3. Okay.
Yes, sir, that's what I'm.
Okay. But still, it is the lower set of logands. Are you getting a point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is correct, actually. They are asking the incorrect one. So if I'm talking about this, and I'm going like this, it should be 3, 3. So this is the incorrect one. Others, do you want me to solve or you will be getting it?
Right, sir.
No need.
Okay. I think this type of question was there, no? In the first assignment of means.
Yes, sir.
So,
Okay, 51 and 52?
No,
sir.
doubt.
No, sir.
No doubts. Okay, so okay. So 66 I am going to recommend, and 72 we have to recommend for deletion. And other question. Others are good. Only 2 questions are and 60. Right?
Yes, sir.
60,
Yes,
none of the
sir.
options are correct. So it should be deleted. 58 is okay. Right. Okay. So with this, we are ending the paper discussion. Okay. So I'm stopping the recording now. Okay, so now we are live, and today we are going to, discuss WTA 16. Okay, this is an advanced paper based on a topic of nomenclature. Okay, so it is having like 3 sections. Section 1 is single correct answer type. Okay, and then section 2 is multi-correct answer type, and then you have section 3, which is integer answer type. Okay, total 18 questions are there. Okay, and we'll be discussing the paper one by one. Okay, so as usual, we'll start with integer type, or let us start with single correct type first. Okay. Okay, this is how I would be attempting the paper if I am giving the exam at your place. Okay, just 1 minute. Oh. Okay. So, okay. So, okay. So, question number 19, 20. Any doubts? No one is having any doubt in 19 and 20. Okay, that's very good. 21, the answer should be, this we have discussed in the class also, it should be NN3 trimethyl pentane 3 amine. Okay, this is the correct answer. The most closest answer to this one is this one, but then there also pentane 3 amine is not mentioned. So I'm going to, give this for the key change. Is it good? Did you mark option C as the answer? Yeah, based on whatever option is available, answer C should be the answer. But they have given answer as D, right? That is totally incorrect because it is having a senior functional group. Cannot write it as a derivative of alkane. Okay? So I'm going for deletion of this question because even C is not totally correct. Okay? So we have discussed this question earlier, so you should not have any problem with that. Okay. After that, 22, 23. Three-ethyl propyl toluene. Okay. So let me check. 1 minute. Okay, so just let me draw it. Okay, so you have CH3, you have C2H5, you have C3H7. Okay, so if you are saying toluene, then the numbering should start with 1. Okay, and then so E and this is P. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then it should be what, like 3-ethyl, 5-propyl toluene. Yeah, this should also be correct. Okay. Yeah. No, you see, if it is not incorrect, that is the thing. See, in the preferred IUPAC name system, even the other names are recognized as IUPAC names only. Are you getting a point? So I think I have discussed this point that if you are having CHO here, okay, then it is, as per the new system, it is like propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde, right? We have discussed this in the, okay, but the older name is also correct. Are you getting a point? So the older name was what? It was pentane 1, 5 diol, and at the third position you had formal. So even this was correct, but now we are, this is a preferred IUPAC name now, but this is also not incorrect. Okay, so that is the thing. See, if they give the thing, the correction, it is okay, but you should be knowing the correct thing. Is it clear? Yeah. See, if means you can write it as B also. There is no issue with that. When it comes to preferred name, see, generally if you're using a derivative of benzene, okay, that is preferred. Are you getting a point? Over writing it as benzene derivative. Okay. So B should be preferred also. Okay. But if both options are there in the, see, you people are not supposed to remember the preferred names. Are you getting a point? You should be just having the ability to write the IUPAC names correctly. Okay. So this thing is there. 22 is done. 23. No one is having doubt in 23. Acha, why can't I write 7 here? Huh? What? Wherever it is possible to, more number of substituents. Yeah, that was the answer which I wanted to know. If you put 7 here, you will get only 2 substituents, but if you put 7 here, you will 1, 2, and 3 substituents. So more substituents is preferred. Is it clear? Yes or no? Okay. Now after this 24. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Yeah, let me check. So it's ethyl, methyl, methyl. Yeah, it's not in alphabetical order. Okay. So you see the name should be something like CH3 24, no? Okay, so it is something like CH3, CH2, CH2, CH. Then you have isopropyl group. Then CH, CH3. Then C. Okay. Then ethyl, ethyl, CH2, CH3. This is the molecule. So parent chain numbering should start with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's obtained. This part is correct. Okay. But now when we are talking about substituents, you have like 4 substituents in this parent chain. You have ethyl, methyl, and isopropyl or methyl ethyl. Okay. So E, M, and M, E. So M will come first. Sorry, E will come first. So it's 3,3 diethyl. Okay. After that, you have methyl and methyl ethyl. So methyl will come first. So 4-methyl. Okay. And 5, 1-methyl ethyl. Are you getting a point? Sorry. Okay, I'm writing it. Yeah. Yeah, tell me. In which case? Which one? A. In 24 you are telling me. So in 24, it is violating the rules. No, alphabetical order is not being followed. First methyl will come, then only methyl ethyl will come. No. Are you getting a point? So this is not a correct name at all. So I think this is going for key change. B, number of primary atoms. This you have counted, or I have to count? I think number of, this is correct, 7 and 21. Okay. Number of neocarbons are 2. Number of neocarbons is 1 only, no? Or just this one. And not all carbons used are sp3 hybrid orbitals. That is incorrect. All carbons are sp3 carbons only. So 24, the answer should be only B, not A. Okay. After this, 25, 26, 25 and 26. No doubts. Okay. 27. Option C is correct. Orthometaparar can be used in IUPAC names officially. Hmm. No, 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 no. That is clearly stated that if you have like three. See, I cannot. COH is a chain terminating group. Okay, and we cannot include the all the three chain terminating groups in the parent chain. If I am taking this one, the third one will become substituent. Are you getting a point? So we cannot do injustice with this COH groups. That's why. Okay, in case of CHO, you can still use the oxo prefix. Okay, but here you can't use. So this we have discussed in the class also, no? I specifically discussed that one. Okay, 27 is okay. 28, 29, 30. 29. See, 29 option C is 2,2-dimethyl-butane. Okay, you have to first ignore the part that there's a printing mistake here. 2,2-dimethyl-butane will be something like 2, 2 dimethyl-butane, 1 4-degree carbon. Okay, then 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, and 1 degree carbon, and 1 2-degree carbon. So what's so C is correct only. Yeah, D is also correct, no? The name is not correct. That's why. Are you getting a point? In a three-membered ring, you see, if you write it, just write it down, no? So this is propane. As second carbon, you have ethyl and methyl. Okay. So the parent chain should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the correct name should be like 2, 2 dimethyl butane. Are you getting a point? Yes or no? Which we have already discussed earlier. So that is why. Answer is ABC. 38, 31. Yeah. So tell me what would be the answer? 30 option C. They're asking IUPAC name. So ethinyl ethanoate. No. See. Okay, it's oxygen. Okay. Yeah. Then it is, I think, correct. It's connected through oxygen. Yeah. So this part is ethinyl and this is ethanoate. Yeah, that is correct. Okay? Yes or no? You cannot write as vinyl acetate. By vinyl acetate is common name here. Okay. Now, 31? No. 32 to 34. Huh? You are getting 3. You are getting 1. In second. Okay, let us draw the hexa 1 to 6 time. Okay, there is 6 number. At first and 6th, you are having this. Is the name hexa 1,6-diene or hexa 1,5-diene? 1 minute, 1 minute. First, let me discuss the second one. Okay. Now you see, hexa will be used when because you are having diene here. If it was only one double bond, then hex one ene. Are you getting a point? Yes or no? Yeah. Is second one clear or not? First of all. Okay. Then third one. Is it good? Fourth? Fourth? Fifth? Sixth? Yeah. Sixth, it cannot be hexa one wine. Yeah. So this won't be there. You're talking about this part, no? Yeah. Yeah. Other two is okay. Two ethyl, two pentene. Okay, let us draw. Two ethyl. So this is pentene. And pentene is here, double bond is here. C2H5. Then this will be the present chain. No? 1 minute. Two ethyl, two pentene. Two ethyl, pentene is here now. It is something like this. So this will become the present chain. Are you getting a point? So the name will become incorrect. And pent 4 in 1 wine looks incorrect only. Is it? It should be 1 in and 4 wine. No. Answer should be 2 only. Okay. Have they given answers? Miss answer. Okay, they're asking. Have they given answers of this? No. No, that I know. I'm saying which two they have not given. No. They have given because they are too lazy to write the answers. Okay, so answer should be 1 only. Are you getting a point? Okay. This is going for key change. Okay. 35 and 36. No doubts. Okay. See, the only thing in these type of questions is if types is mentioned, you have to, if there are two OH, you have to say it is only one OH type of group. Are you getting a point? But the same question, if it was number of functional groups, then the answer will be what? 6. Okay. So this is something which you should be clear on. So with this, okay, so this one is going for key change. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. Three questions are going for key change. Okay. So with this, I am concluding the paper discussion. Okay. Any other doubt in this paper? Yeah. 20. This one. Yeah, definitely I can explain. So you see, in 20, you have this molecule. See, paper discussion is the last opportunity for you people to ask the doubts. Should not waste it. Even if it is a silly doubt, I will explain. Okay. Do not waste shy. If you feel shy right now, then you will feel weaker in the revision phase. Okay. So this is my molecule in front of you. Okay. Now, first of all, what is the principal functional group? Okay. So this means that the numbering should start with here. Is it correct? Now after this, the other two becomes what? Substituents? Yes or no? Other two become substituents. Now, when you're talking about numbering order, then the direction of numbering will first involve lowest set of locands for the senior functional group, then lowest set of locands for the double bond. So double bond will be going like this. So this is having 3 formyl and 3 something. So it will be cyclohexane hex 3 in 1 acid. Now substitute. You have cyano and formate. So obviously cyano will come first. So there is 5 cyano, 3 formate, cyclohex 3 in 1 acid. Is it clear to all of you? Yes or no? Yes. Hmm. Yes. Okay. Let me just discuss. Yeah, tell me. Write the molecule. No, you will see without writing. If you are imagining, it's difficult. How much time it will take to write? See, this is ethane. Okay, or let me write it in bond line notation. This better. This is ethane. So it is saying 1,2. This is so. See, both are. You cannot write it as a derivative of ethane if you have two functional groups. Are you getting a point? Yes or no? It should be what? It should be ethane 1, 2 diol. Is it clear? Yes or no? Okay. Any other thing which you want me to tell me? 32. Yeah. So 32 you have to take a carbon atom. Okay, let me just draw it. Okay. So CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH, CH double bond CH2, 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 CH3. Okay. Now, what is my rule? That first see whether there is any senior functional group or not. This is the senior functional group here. Okay. So the parent chain must contain that. Okay. And second is see whether there is any multiple bond or not. Second thing is the parent chain should contain the multiple bond also. So this is my parent chain. Are you getting a point? From where shall, yeah, that, that was the purpose of giving the question actually. Okay. Now after that, yeah, it's okay. Means these things are not big. What? Again? Yeah, it should be ethane. Yeah, that is correct. Yeah. So where shall we start numbering in the second case? From here? Can you tell me the name of this compound? Is it correct? And how much is butyl? So 5-butyl, Hep 16 1-on. Is it clear? Okay, yeah, it is 2-on. 2. That's good. Okay, so everyone is clear? Yes or no? Okay, so this is done. Any other question where you want any clarity? Okay, just see, if you have hex, you write hexa, when after the locants you are having D. diene or triene, because then this, see, two vowels should not come together. Okay, a vowel sounding type of things should not come together. So vowels, okay, plus y, they are vowel sounding type of things. So after a, consonant should come. Are you getting a point? So D is okay, but if you are having, say, hex, okay, in and y. Obviously, we can't drop the first word letter, but we can always drop the last letter. Are you getting a point? So if there is an E or there is a Y or there is an I, okay, or there is a O, you can drop this part. Okay. Okay. So that is the thing. Now, so generally here so there is only E or Y because it is a primary suffix. Okay. But after that, again, you have something like a secondary suffix. So if here it is E or I, then you will be dropping the vowel. So the idea is two vowels or vowel plus Y should not come together while writing alphabetical order. Are you getting a point? Okay. So this is what is the thing in. So you people have done good. Okay. See, it's like 62 marks question and 3 questions are almost key changes. So 50 is something which with most accuracy you can get. So any score 80% of that is a good score for me. Okay. So just I'm going to pause this recording. Any other doubt? Yes or no? Question numbers are 24, 21, and 34. These are going to be key changes. Okay, I will share this notes now. You can see it there also. Okay, so I'm 20. Yeah, what is the issue? Okay, yeah, 22 also. 22B should also be there. Yeah. Okay, 4 key changes are there. So still, you can get up to 50 in this paper. Yes. Okay, so if there is no other doubts, then I am ending this.